show it off.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a fat minute.
Today, Thomas and Aubrey are going to be reviewing Caso de Oro, Las Ricas Party Mix, Chile Limon.
Let me. Sponsored by Ben Star Brands LLC. Couldn't be done
And
without
also, I promise we haven't taste tested it yet.
them. This is how they come.
This is how they come. Like,
Well, that's how they come from your cousin's house.
Yeah.
This was $45.
Okay, here we go. Oh, try the pinwheel first. That's the better
pinwheel?
one. Yep. Okay,
this is the pinwheel. It smells like
what does it
taco
smell like?
seasoning.
That smells like Mexico.
Yep.
Okay.
Tastes like a bugle, kinda.
Bugle. What?
It tastes
Thomas, give
limey.
us some content.
There's a lot of lime. A lot of
Almost kind of cold. Would you agree?
Aubrey.
Like you eat it and it's kind of cold.
You're out of your
They
mind,
all taste
lady.
different, so now both of you choose another shape and taste a different shape together. That's the shape now, the little scoop.
Scoop dee dee whoop. Whoop dee scoop dee poop. Poop dee scoop dee whoop. Whoopie dee scoop whoop poop. Poop dee
The
dee.
scoop tastes like awful.
Down with the scoop. Avoid
Mine
the
tastes
scoop.
like sour cream, like a big thing of sour cream.
Maybe that's
Okay.
why I hate it.
No on the scoop.
Ugh.
And
It's
a
like
little
really sour, kind of.
bacon looking
Yes,
piece.
Bacon looking piece.
piece next.
Get the air cool over them.
Ah!
Oh, this one's good. The air full one's so good. This is like.
Looking thing.
Honestly, I like the pinwheel the best.
Yeah, everything else is.
There's more. What else?
Do you a favor?
Out of 10, how many points, guys, for the whole bucket?
4.
I would not
4.
buy this.
Aubrey would not buy it.
I'd
Sorry,
say a
sponsor.
2 or 3, but I also don't really like Mexican food because
I'd say 4, specifically
It's not
because the
great.
pinwheel. Everything else
the
is
pinwheel
nice.
was good.
4 out of 10,
If
and
it
you
was
give
all pinwheel, 8. If it was the rest of that and all that stuff, 2.
2. All right, cool. Sure, gonna be tasting a new Cheetos
Yeah, let me
flavor.
show it off.
It's the Cheetos Mexican street corn. Mexican street corn is also known as elotes. There's a picture of it. I've never had one before, so I mean, I've never had a Mexican street corn. Have you,
I have not.
Thomas? Have you?
In my dream.
Okay.
I had once in a dream.
So hold on, don't taste yet. Taste it together, guys.
Oh, yeah.
It
Smell.
smells
Let's see
like-
how does it smell compared to a
It
Cheeto.
smells like,
Dude, it smells like the Buffalo Wild Wings.
oh my gosh, yeah. It
Garlic
smells like
Parmesan?
garlic parm.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Oh.
Thomas,
It tastes like
Aubrey did not like it.
What is that?
tastes like a spoonful of mayo.
Spoonful of mayo.
It does.
They did a bad job.
What is that?
Try again, Cheetos.
So what grade do you guys give this one?
1.
A 1 out of 10 and a 2 out of 10.
Dad, it was like
Is it that bad?
this tastes.
Okay, next, you guys are gonna taste Little Dabby's Nutty Buddy. And oh, you gotta wait. Thomas.
Smell it. What does it smell like? What's the?
Yeah,
It's
give us,
like chocolate.
give
Peanut
us
butter.
the texture.
Peanut butter and chocolate.
It,
Okay. Thomas is nodding yes, Aubrey's nodding confusion.
does the thing.
Yeah.
It's
There's like
chocolatey peanut
Butterfinger.
butter.
Without the stuff getting stuck in your teeth.
It tastes like a Butterfinger, Thomas. You agree?
My favorite candy?
Tastes good.
Butterfinger.
Don't wait.
So
I
good.
like the chocolate's very creamy.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'll give it like a.
Yeah, this is my go-to.
8.
This is so good. Cheetos,
Okay.
bad. Muddy Buddy,
Nutty Buddy.
Nutty Buddy, 10 out of 10.
We're eating wafer rolls. Look here. It's in the blue package.
Brand is it?
The brand is
Unless you're
Harry,
colorblind, then it's
Harry and
purple
David.
or red or green. I don't know.
Harry David.
Harry
Yeah, that
David.
sounds appealing. Harry David.
Wait,
Harry
we'll split
David.
it. We'll
Oh,
split
you guys
it.
don't have to split it, can you?
Wow.
Wow.
So good.
Thomas a little
I don't- it's
messy.
gonna just
Yeah,
crumble
no,
into
no,
me.
don't take Thomas's.
I'll have this.
There you go.
Cheers. It smells good. He's actually, fun fact, Thomas is allergic to hazelnut, and this has hazelnut in it.
Gosh, so
But I think
Not
that
believing
he's
it.
fake allergic because he always eats this and he's fine.
You can't have Nutella?
Oh.
I give this a 7.
a
Well,
7.
6.
4. Tom is giving a 4 out of 10. I was
Four.
giving a 6.
Next up is Terra Classic with sea salt. There's sweet potato, batata, parsnip, toro, and ruby dipped vegetables. I personally can't wait.
That was an accident.
Here's,
What do you think you're eating?
I think the root of something. Oh, we're
He
gonna
doesn't
get to
even
the
want me to be
root
part of
of
this
it.
video.
Like a,
This already.
give it like a.
3 out of 10.
If I was trying to be healthy, 10 out of 10. Your girl's not trying to be
I think I
healthy.
agree. I think 3 is fair.
3 out of 10.
Next we have a Pepsi Nitro
Draft cola.
Draft Cola, whatever that means. And here's the instructions. I'm really bad at following instructions, so.
Let me see.
Yeah, Aubrey, show us what we got here.
So,
I've
chill
already
can,
used that joke.
pour hard,
Yep.
admire and enjoy. Alright. Pepsi's my favorite. Thomas hates soda, so he's gonna rate it low. Oh.
Yeah, bring it close. Keep opening it.
Oh.
Flip it, pour hard.
Oh, sorry.
And then the other cup. Show the, what is the other cup? Don't forget to cheer.
Sorry, I made a mess.
You're fine. Don't forget to cheer.
Cheers.
Smells like Pepsi.
I want Pepsi right now.
And
It's so smooth.
I want to taste some
Tastes
Pepsi.
like-
yeah, Amy. I like
Wow.
everything.
It does taste like flat Pepsi, but it's really smooth.
I'm gonna spill it myself.
Mm. It tastes like, you know, like the butter beer from...
Disneyland or whatever.
No, I don't want that much.
I've had my fill.
Okay.
2 sips is plenty.
I think that if I had... It's really sweet. I feel like it's more sweet than
Hey, Mom.
regular soda.
I rate that a soda out of 10, which, if you know me, is not very high.
Aubrey, what do you?
I'm gonna say 7.
A 7. So is it better than regular Pepsi or worse?
I think I prefer regular.
No, just drink
It's really smooth. It's really good. It's kind of sweet. But I think regular Pepsi wins. I like my soda bubbly, I guess.
There you go.
I
Well-
like water, and
He's
that's it.
healthy.
Okay.
He calls me a
Hummingbird,
hummingbird. I'm his
because she
hummingbird.
keeps drinking sugar water.
I'm a little hummingbird. Well, anyway, YouTube, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Cheers, and hope to see you soon.
Scoop dee dee whoop. Whoop dee scoop dee poop. Poop dee scoop dee.